Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to upholster a wire spool and make it into a seat using your Arrow products. You're going to need to get a wire spool, and we suggest painting it before you get started. Next, cut a piece of foam to fit on top of the spool. Flip the spool onto the foam and trace the top, then cut along the line. It's okay if the cut isn't perfect because the foam will be covered. Then roll out your batting and place the foam and spool on top. Use your T50DCD Cordless Staple gun to staple the batting to the spool using 3/8" T50 staples. Once the batting is attached, cut off any excess. Next, lay out the fabric and place the spool and batting on top. Staple the fabric to the spool using the same process as the batting. As you start to fit the fabric onto the spool, cut off any excess. Keep making your way around the spool, pulling the fabric as tight as possible to avoid wrinkles. This part can be tedious. You may have to remove staples with your Arrow staple lifter and redo them a few times. Take your time on this step. Once the fabric is fastened, add a few protection pads to the bottom so the seat won't scratch your floor. Now just turn the seat upright and you're good to go. Thank you for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. For written instructions on this project and other projects, visit arrowfastener.com/projects.